took a drive down to Pukerua Bay from Paraparaumu today on State Highway 59 and drove past where the slip had been which closed State Highway 59. So State Highway 59 is the old State Highway 1 and it's been closed for a month from I think it was the 19th of August until today, 15th of September 2022. The slide is huge. I couldn't imagine what we would have done if this had happened when Transmission Gully wasn't open, because it's hard to see the scale of it. But that cutting, it steps back. It's maybe about 4 or 5 or 6 stories high. It's really hard to conceive the scale. That's why I started with, if you go back to the start of the video, you see those videos from far away. You can see the height of the houses. Some of those houses down on the beach are about 2 stories high, and the slip's easily 3 or 4 times taller. I don't know, around that time, two or 3 or 4 times taller. Anyway, we've got some nice new lovely smooth asphalt. They had to rebuild that whole bit of the road. I think there's a new guardrail at the side there. It looks like the old guardrail probably folded over and snapped off with the slide, and it took a month to fix. That area's had a few slips before. It's got a bit of a step in there. It steps back on a couple of steps, so hopefully it will hold up a lot better. Anyway, we've got a nice new bit of asphalt. The road's open. If you're driving down to Wellington, you can drive down the coastal road, take a nice relaxing slow drive at 80 or 50 kilometers per hour. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you in another video.